So this is the farm field. The water's rushing down here.
Hey guys, Capper here. Welcome back. Today we're going to revisit what was previously my biggest wildlife pond that I ever created, and we had some water issues with it. It took on too much water, so while I'm at my buddy Mark's property, this was recently, I put in a big culvert for him. If you're interested in seeing that, that was my biggest culvert ever. I'll put a link to that in the description below. But anyways, so the next stop on his property, we're going to revisit this pond. It turned out beautiful, but it's taking in too much water. So I'm going to show you kind of how it's taking in too much water, what Mark did, and then we're just going to sludge out some of the silt that was getting forced in there from this farm field runoff. So anyways, let's get some fresh air, revisit a beautiful pond that I had made, and tweak it up and hopefully improve it, make it a little bit better for the future. Thanks a lot.
Another ditch for him. The big pipe is done. And now I'm going to go sledge out the pond that I built because the silt is coming in from that farm field. So I'm just going to get whatever I could reach on that silt. He's since redirected that. It ended up being just too much water and too much going into the pond, so he redirected that cut. So I'm going to just try and get what I can of the sludge out of there. So this is the farm field. The water's rushing down here. And originally we diverted it into the pond to keep it full and to keep the lower field dry, but it turned out it's just too much water, and I'll show you here in a minute if I don't tip over. Oh, seriously. So he rerouted this, he cut it to the left of the pond now, but because it was just ramming silt down into that pond. So I'll just try and take some of the stuff out that I could reach, and it'll be good to go. You can see all this is silt right here. I ramped it up, put all the sludge over there to dry out, and that's going to be it.
So after this sludge pile dries out, Mark will use it somewhere. It has a lot of nutrients in it. You know, when you get the runoff into a pond, it usually carries a lot of nutrients in it. So it's good backyard dirt, if you will, since we're all in clay country. If you remember, this was all woods here. Had to clear all the trees out of here, and we wanted to fix that field. That water was just coming down and soaking that field, so I made that cut. And you can see it's working. I mean, look at the tracks here. It's just insane. Yeah, this turned out beautiful. This whole thing was just low and flooded all the time. So now this new ditch brings it right into this pond. So that opens up this corner for him to add to his food plots. But that's it for today. Just a quick follow-up. Thanks for joining me. Have a great weekend. Thanks a lot.